This video will show you how to make a planet in Blender. Please watch up to the very end. Before you go to Blender, first head to SolarSystemScope.com. This is where you're going to find all the textures and maps you'll need for this tutorial. The link is in the description of this video. As you can see, the site has different textures for the various planets we know. In my case, I'm looking for Earth. When you scroll, you can see the different maps for Earth in this section. Go ahead and download them. You can choose to download 2K or 8K. In my case, I'll download the 2K. I won't need the rest since in this tutorial we are focusing on Earth. After saving them, you go ahead and open a new Blender file. Press X to delete the default cube. Press Shift-A and add a UV sphere. Come down to this panel, click on it, and make sure Generate UVs is activated. Go to the Material Properties and add a new material. Expand this area and turn it to a shader editor. Press Shift-A and search for Image Texture. Click on Open and browse for the Earth's map you downloaded. Use the day map. Plug this color into the base color. Come up here, go to Color and switch to Texture. You can see our map finally placed onto the sphere. Now go ahead and show me some love by hitting that like button. Go to UV editing to see if the UV map is fine. This one is okay cause it snaps well to the edges of the image. Now go back to the layout. You go to Object and shade it smooth. You can now see how fine our globe looks like. And it's ready for render. Click on the camera icon to go to view it from the camera. Press N, go to View Lock, activate Lock Camera to view. Go to Render Properties and switch to Cycles. Now go to the Render view. Go to World Properties and give it a dark color. If I turn off the overlays, you can see the result looking good. You can now go ahead to render. If you want us to make you a tutorial of making the whole universe, let us know in the comments section. I promise we'll make a video. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you never miss out on our latest content. Have fun animating. I sign out.